Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video is your Instagram post not showing on today. Here's how to fix it fast. See, this is the problem. Get your first post Instagram post not showing problem. Okay, first open your Google Play Store app and now search here Instagram app and click on the Instagram app and check update your Instagram app. My Instagram app already updated. Okay, and second step, go to your phone settings and scroll down and click on the apps icon and now search here Instagram app. Click on the Instagram app and scroll down, then click on the storage and clear check and clear data. Okay, back. And second step, now permission option, allow all permission. Okay, calendar, call logs, camera, contacts, location, microphone, nearby device, notification, phone, photos and videos, allow all permission. Okay, back. And third step, now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone and now open your Instagram app. And I hope your problem has been solved successful. Thank you. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.